Welcome again. For my delicious crepes, I will need about 2 cups of flour, which is about 240 grams, 3 eggs, 1 and 3/4 of a cup of warm milk, 4 tablespoons of soft melted butter, 1/4 of a cup of sugar, have a teaspoon of either vanilla sugar or vanilla extract, and a dish to mix it all, and a mixer, KitchenAid or just old-fashioned mixer will be fine. And today I have my daughter helping me, so she will be the one making crepes. Her favorite lunch food. I have melted my butter with the milk, as the milk needs to be warm, so that way it is easier. Just put it all in, and I will add my vanilla sugar to it, 1/4 of a cup of regular sugar, the eggs and the flour, and I will call my helper to start mixing it. Dobrze. Haha! Woo! You want to try if it's good? Taste it. Or you can have this. You want to taste it if it's sweet enough for your crepes? Not sweet enough? My little helper got tired. I will leave this for half an hour to rest. And after half an hour, I'll start making crepes. Consistency for the butter here. It is not as thick as it is for pancakes, and you can see. Once I make my crepe, what do I put inside? I want to show you 2 different things. One will be an apple filling, and another will be a sweet cheese filling. This is my family's favorite. Sweet cheese. I use farmer's cheese for that. 2 egg yolks and sugar, plus some half and half to thin it down, so it's easier to spread. For the apples, you need to slice them, add sugar, and I like to put some apricot preserve to it for that extra flavor. For the sweet cheese filling, I need farmer's cheese, and I already have 2 egg yolks in here. I have 3 tablespoons of sugar, and I mixed brown sugar with just the regular sugar. And I will put some vanilla extract in here, probably 1/4 of a spoon, and about 2 tablespoons of the heavy whipping cream. Once you mix it, taste it. Try it and see if you like the sweetness, if you want more of the vanilla extract in it, if you like the flavor. Always try your food. And I can see that I need more of the heavy cream because it's still too thick, and mix it really well. I have used 2 egg yolks in here, and what I'm going to do with my egg whites is bake coconut cookies with those. My coconut cookies are already on my channel if somebody is interested in looking it up. So here it is. Taste it. For me, sweet enough. It has this vanilla taste to it. Perfect. Now it is time for the apple filling. So you will just slice it thin. And when you slice, keep your fingers like this so you don't cut any of your nails or worse into your fingers. My last apple cut up. Now I will put about 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, and it's up to you how much cinnamon you want. Some people like a lot and some like just a little bit. And about 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. 1, 2. Mix it up, try it, and those apples will go on a pan with some butter so they softened a little bit. I will add 2 tablespoons of that apricot preserve. For me, enough sugar and cinnamon. And I have 2 apples here, red apples and Granny Smith. I love Granny Smith. Give you this sour taste with all the sugar and everything else. It's a really nice mixture. But the apricot preserve, this is what I love the best. So let's bring it to the pan. I have 2 pans, warming them up, and those are the pans that don't need any oil. I love them. Great for crepes. Not so great for cooking other things, but crepes, the best. So try to spread it evenly. Once your pan is hot, lower temperature halfway, it will go faster. It's just the first one is always a test. Okay, perfect. Now it is much faster. Once the pans are nice and hot, everything goes smoothly. Beautiful. And when you see too many bubbles too fast, like right here, lower the temperature a little bit. You want to make sure that your crepes are cooked through. The bubbles are not a bad thing, just not too fast, too many at the same time. I'll probably have like 12 crepes out of the dough. And next comes the apple filling. I have my pan with butter, and now I will add my apples to it. And those need to sear maybe for 4 minutes, just so they soften. And those kind of apples go really well with Danish pastry. And I have put a video together on that. Drożdżówki z jabłkami. Danish pastry with apples and crumble on top. And I can see the color changing, that the apples are softened. So now I will add my jam or preserve, about 2 tablespoons to it. And you want the heat to be on high so the water evaporates from the apples. Apples release juice, and if it's too wet, your crepes become soggy, and nobody likes soggy crepes. And that's it. Apple filling is done. And finally, it is time to put it all together. So I will have my sweet cheese, spread it here around. One side is enough, as I am going to fold it this way, and then again this way, and one is ready. Spread 1/2 of it. One side is enough, and my princess is enjoying her crepe right now. She just couldn't wait for those. Delish. Like I said before, palce lizać. You can link your fingers. Kids love those. So those crepes can go many ways. Sweet, savory, and even spicy. Here we go for the sweet cheese. Now I will make the apple kind. So another way of doing those, if it comes to folding, you can just roll it.
Haha, what you eating? You gonna share? No, you're not gonna share?
As you can see, there are many ways of eating this delicious crepe. It's time for me to enjoy mine. Honey works so well with the apples. Bon appetit. Smacznego. Dziękuję.